Listing on eBay is effortless with EcomSniper. Simply select a product on Amazon and scroll up the page. EcomSniper will automatically generate images for you. Choose any image you like, then click Snipe Title to get a highly optimized title. Our powerful AI automatically generates highly optimized titles and selects the perfect one for your listings. Finally, click Opti-List and let EcomSniper handle the rest. It will automatically upload images, titles, descriptions, and specifications, and list the product directly on your eBay seller account, saving you time and effort. Simply go to an eBay seller's account and click Extract All Titles. Next, click Filter Titles, then View Titles, and copy all the titles to your clipboard. Now, open EcomSniper's Product Hunter, paste your titles, and click Search Titles. Our powerful tool will automatically find the matching products on Amazon, eliminating the need for manual research. But that's not all. Our bulk listing tool lets you list hundreds or even thousands of items on eBay effortlessly. Just copy the titles from Product Hunter, open EcomSniper's bulk lister, and paste them in. Click Opti-List and let Bulk Lister do the rest. It will automatically list all the products on your eBay account, so you can sit back and watch your store grow. Open the CSV tracker and click on Quick Start. Set your desired settings and hit Start Tracking. That's it. Our powerful price and stock monitoring system will now automatically check the item's availability and price on Amazon and instantly update your eBay listings, all in real time with lightning-fast speed. Go to your eBay order details page and click on Auto Order. Our powerful automated system will instantly prepare the order on Amazon using your buyer's shipping address. Just hit Place Your Order to confirm, and you're done. That's not all. Our Dropshipping Mastery Course teaches you everything you need to know about dropshipping, even if you're a complete beginner. And you're never alone. Join our thriving community of pro dropshippers, get expert advice, and share your wins. Need support? Our private Telegram group provides full customer support for any issues you face. Join EcomSniper today and start making money with us.